Alright, here is the kit for the gingerbread house that we're going to make with Olivia. Say hi.
Hi.
With me and with
Alexander. Hi.
You gotta hold still. There we go. No.
But how about hugs?
Hugs are fine. So here's the tray, and there's the icing, and we're going to try to do a house today, and you'll come back and you'll see us with frosting and candy all over, and Mommy having a breakdown. So, bye. Okay, this is house erected. See? I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it's horrible, shoddy work. Now we're just waiting for it to dry so the children can put on some, how do you say?
Candy.
Candy! Candy mountain. Okay, so they're chomping at the bit, as you can understand. And here's all of our stuff to play with. Candy and some Easter candy. It's still good.
I can stay here.
You put onto it.
I can stay here with
It'll be beautiful. Watch the space. There's Livia. Say hi, Livia.
Hi.
There's Christmas tree.
Hey, look. It's walked again. Hey, look.
And
Look
she
at
has
the
no
other secret passion.
And here they are, the children. The icing is drying on our gingerbread house. So the children are decorating the trees. There's Olivia's. Let me see yours, Olivia. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, and here's William's. Whoops, that fell on the floor. Let me see. Oh, that's wonderful, William. That's gorgeous. Keep on going. You are a good decorator.
And mine is in the pond.
And what?
Mine is on the pond. Tastes like that. Tastes like peppermint candy.
Life is good. Thank you, guys. Next is the little men that we can do while we're waiting for the house to set up. How's that sound? Excellent. Alright. Bye. Okay, and here we are. I don't know how far we are through. They're kind of losing interest really quickly. Here's my door. Look, a door. I know, me too. My hands are sticky too. Ooh, oh no, Mommy forgot the windows on that side. Dear.
They'll dry.
And there's our little people.
Hi.
Can you see them? There they are. Little candy people. Are you happy with this?
Yes. It's called gingerbread house.
It is called a gingerbread house. What do the directions say? Yeah. And
it's broken.
What is broken? Oh no, it is. Oh no. Oh dear. We have broken bracelet. Oh well, we'll try to fix it later. But so far, there it is.
They'll dry.
Yay.
They'll dry.
Christmas time is kinda almost here.
Christmas time. Christmas time.
Okay, I think we're done because I'll let you know. Because my daughter wants cocoa, and therefore that's the end of the game. Here's a little family with gingerbread man or woman. No, we don't discriminate. And a snowman or woman.
What happens if you throw a bomb?
I don't know what happens when you throw a bomb. And a Christmas tree.
What happens if you throw a stink bomb?
You know what? I don't know. It's not a really nice question.
What if you throw a stink bomb 2 ways? You might get stinky.
Ow, that's my foot! My daughter just impaled my foot.
The Tom, it falls
Oh, so pretty. My children are wonderful. even if they try to kill me. Oh, that tree's dying. And I'm about to kill my children. Yay, craft time! Craft time is... I think I'm gonna
Like
get soda.
now.
Craft. Oh, Olivia, stop.
I'm going to dress
Yeah, stop.
He get them.
You know what?
I'm Coco.